Hello everyone! Today I will introduce to you the 5 kilowatt intermediate frequency air-cooled induction heater. This equipment can be used in steel, cement, chemical, machinery, manufacturing, and other industries. It can be used for heating, installing, and disassembling metal workpieces such as bearings, inner sleeves, and retaining rings weighing less than 3 kilograms. Next, let me introduce the components of this equipment to you. First, an induction heating power supply. It weighs only 11 kilograms. Even girls can mention it very easily. A piece of thermal insulation cotton. An induction cable. Match a pair of aviation plugs used in the power cord. One K-type magnetic temperature sensor. A pair of high-temperature gloves. During the delivery phase, we are equipped with wooden cases that meet export standards.
Now let me show you the operation steps of our intermediate frequency air-cooled 5 kilowatts. First of all, it's 50 hertz, 220 AC. Let's charge it first. Here are the supporting parts. There are 2 rows, a 5 meter 16 square meter mica sensor cable, heat resistant gloves, a ceramic fiber cloth, a thermocouple. This is the equipment kit. So our first step is to power up a mains first. Open the corresponding blank, press the line first. It's a line of fire, a 0 line, a ground wire. Just press a line of fire. It's a 0 wire. Since we don't have a ground wire, we can leave it on press. After pressing it on, close the corresponding empty opening. Now the device is powered on. After powering it on, wrap it evenly with a bus bar. Set aside a distance of about 50 centimeters on both sides. Wrapped up workpiece to be heated evenly. The corresponding plug on our side corresponds to the red plug on this side. This black is inserted into black. A thermocouple has a positive electrode and a negative electrode. Negative to negative. After plugging it in, place the probe in a workpiece to be heated. Place to be heated. Now, some preparations are ready to be completed. You can turn on this power supply now. And let's look at this side of the screen. This is the full English version. The first is the time pattern. The second is the temperature mode. The third is some settings. The fourth is an alarm message. So first we turn on time mode. The heating time can be selected in the time mode. For example, set it to 30 seconds. Make sure this is a power tuning function. It can be driven to 80% of the power or 90% or 100%. Now if we drive to 100% of the maximum power gear, now you can click to heat up. The second function is the temperature mode. Set the temperature to be heated to, for example, if it is 100 degrees, let it be 100 degrees. This power is running at full power. It can also be adjustable from 0 to 100. You can set it to 80% power. This is the current temperature. Here are the parameter values. The first one is the current temperature. The second is the input current. So this is the output current. This is the frequency. This is the real-time temperature of the component inverter inside. Its temperature can be detected. This is the alarm value. If there is any abnormality in the alarm, set the temperature. The power is set. You can click heat. This interface is parameter setting. This is the high temperature stop installation mode. There's also the setting of the current temperature parameter value. This is already set. The fourth page is the alarm message. If I leave this temperature probe unplugged, unplugging it will call the police. It will trigger a framed alarm. It shows that the temperature sensor is not plugged in. Now, plug this temperature sensor in again, cancel this box. Just reset it again. If you want to start heating now, we heat it up 30 degrees. Set the temperature value of 30 degrees. The power is turned on to 80%. The current temperature is 7 degrees. Click heat. It's already started. And it stops at 30 degrees. It's 8 degrees already. 9 degrees, 10 degrees. 11 degrees during the adjustment process. This power is also adjusted. You can adjust it 100%. It's 17 degrees now, 18 degrees, 25 degrees, 28 degrees, 29 degrees, 30 degrees, and it stops. It means that the temperature has stopped. Second mode, time mode. 30 seconds heating power on 100%. The current temperature is 35 degrees. After 30 seconds of heating, it will automatically stop. Stop heating. There's a time display that is running. This is an over temperature alarm because the over temperature alarm value we said is 20 degrees. It's already 56 degrees. It has already exceeded its 20 degree threshold. It will also call the police. Just click reset. Usually these two functions, it's a temporal pattern, a temperature mode after the equipment is heated up. If you want to dismantle it, cut off the power first, then cut off this main rod as well. You can remove it by wearing anti-high temperature gloves because the heating temperature of the workpiece is already very high. So we need to wear heat gloves. Prevent yourself from getting burned. After unplugging the socket, you can cut off the sensor cable. The workpiece has reached the set temperature. You can use it normally. Thank you very much. Look,